Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on Xiaomi 17. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, we need to open the power menu. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time. There we go. And then once we open the power menu, we should be able to reboot our phone. We want to restart it. And once we restart it, we are going to wait for the Xiaomi logo. Once it appears, wait for the vibration. You will feel a little vibration once the Xiaomi logo is there. Once you feel it, press and hold volume down button and keep holding it until you start the phone. So now Xiaomi appears. You want to wait for the vibration and then press and hold volume down once you feel it. And there we go. Just keep holding and soon we should see the HyperOS text. We can still keep holding the volume down button. And then there we go. As you can see here, we have the safe mode in the bottom left corner. Now keep in mind that once you go to the safe mode, then the airplane mode is activated over here. And if you want to turn off the safe mode, if you want to exit it, you can simply restart your phone again. So I'm gonna use once again the power button and volume up button at the same time. And here we can slide down to reboot. And now, once the phone turns itself back on, it's going to be once again in the normal mode. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.